Hello, and welcome back to our. It shouldn't be a new video. We should have the same video on the tornadoes. You remember? I didn't find the wheels for it. You know, the golden jack. I did fix the missing part onto the golden jack. You remember one of it? It was just the lever. The lever was missing. I did fix that, prepare it for a new wheels. But until I got new wheels, I just fit this on, put them on. They do spin. They do them job. You know, but they're not popping out. So I will try to do, because I don't want to just leave it like that on the table till I'm gonna get the wheels for it. I'll obviously it's painted. I fixed the bended pillar over here. I will chrome all the plastic side and everything. The bumper is fixed. I'll have to just a little bit more touching up here. And right now I'm gonna do the screen, you know, the crack one, because I've been asked from one friend of mine what I'm using it to cut it and to glue it and everything. If the screen is big enough, like this one for example, it gives me plenty space to work with and to cut in. I'm using this grinder, this tiny blade, you know, and just cut it, you know, cut this side up there and here, and that's it. For some of them, like smaller screens, I don't have here right now. To give you an example, even this one, I still can use that grinder, but I don't know, like really small, like let's say for example half of this screen. If I will decide just to change this one, sometimes you don't get you don't have enough space to put that grinder in. So what I'm doing, I'm using just a normal blade, you know, and I just cut it through, you know, and get the desired part out. Or I have same as this one, is kind of like this blade, but it's hot. Is you just plug it in, gets hot, and just cut it with hot blade. Just cut it out. And sorry about the noise in the background, the rubbish truck just came. So yeah, to glue it back in, once I get the desirable part out, you know, I cut a new plastic. Let's say for example this one. Yeah, I got this one. I'm just put it in. This one is too small, but I'm gonna cut another one. Just get my shape, you know, which I want it. Just cut it. Do it with the blade or whatever. What I'm doing, I leave a little bit more up here, so then I can glue it in the back here. Because sometimes I'm using it Gorilla Glue. I don't have it right now. I don't have it here because I did something yesterday on the car and I leave it on the car. But I have Gorilla Glue gel, which that one, it dries a little bit. It doesn't dry just in seconds. It dries quick, but not like in seconds. And you know that white fumes, which when you usually glue the plastic, it comes and makes mark on your screen. That one apparently doesn't do it. If I do it with the normal glue, like this one, like fast glue, what I'm doing, I'm just putting the glue in, give it like 3-4 seconds, just the fumes to clear a little bit, and then, but again, I prefer to leave a little bit of the part, so I glue it right here, you know, just in case if it gets a little bit of fumes, it will not gonna go through all this the screen. So sometimes I get rid of it, but sometimes, yeah, most of the time is alright, but sometimes I do get that white marks. So yeah, I don't know other things. I try what I did one time and it did work, or I was just lucky. I put a little bit of grease on the side of the screen, obviously not on the edge where you want to put the glue in. I put just a little bit, just about, you know, there. And when I put the normal glue, I glue it, and then I just wipe the grease off, and apparently it didn't do any marks, but I just prefer using that way. So I don't know, it works for me. Sometimes it doesn't, but most of the time it does work. So yeah guys, just I wanted to show you this one. So we got the wheels, obviously not the jack up one, but they're still alright, they're still good. They fit on the car. I'm gonna put it all together. Obviously I'm not gonna put the rivets on, I'm not gonna finish it like 100%, because once I get the original wheels, that's why I left the axle, the jack up axle, I did left them on. I didn't modify nothing. I just drilled I have some of these spare wheels. I drilled them, I make them a big hole, just put a little bit of glue, but just a little bit of it. Just put the wheels on, you know, so I can easily take it out whenever I want. Just clean the axle a little bit, put back the original wheels, and that's it, we're ready to go. So this one I will complete it, but as I said, once I get the wheels on, I just take this one out, put the jack on, and that's it. I did fix the thing, the mechanism for the lights. You remember it was broken, so sorry about that. So yeah, it will be nearly there, just waiting for the wheels. So but by then I'm just gonna have these wheels on. I'll put it there on my cabinet so I know it's there. So yeah, but as I wanted to show you this one, guys, I'm gonna cut this right now, and I will show you how it comes after I cut it, and what we're gonna do with the screen. And obviously the back part is alright, the side they are alright, it just needs a good clean and a good polish. So we're gonna deal just with the front one, and I'll come back with a video to show you guys how we deal with the screen. So bye for now, and I will see you in a minute. So here we go, guys. As I don't want to keep it too much with the noise, it's quite quick, it's not too much. So I cut the sides. So now we're gonna go just up here. So we're gonna have a little bit of noise. So there you go, our screen is out. Now we're just gonna clean these edges. See, I'm just gonna file it a little bit, you know, just to get the rough edges out, because if not, they're not gonna fit proper into the casting. Then we're gonna we're gonna cut the desired shape of the screen. You know, obviously if some of them, this one is not that it has a little bend, so or you can easily do it from the glue, you know, but some of them, they are really need to be bended. What I'm doing, I'm using a heat gun, hot air heat gun, and I pretty much do the shape the way how I like it. Again, some of them work, some of them not, but sorry, this is one what I want to show you guys. And for my good friend Brian, if you're watching, this is what is about. So yeah, I will see you back once I cut the plastic and everything, and I glue it on, and we'll take it from there, guys. So I'll see you later. So here we go, guys. What I did before I start gluing and cutting and gluing the part, I sand the screen, clean it and sand the screen with 800 grit. It didn't have the too deep scratches, so I did it straight with 800. Sometimes if he has like a deep scratches, usually I'm using it this 500, you know. So yeah, it depends how bad it is, and then 800 and so on. But usually if it's not that bad, I'm using just 800, a little bit wet, and then I'm using, I think I showed you this and before, I'm using this 3M rubbing compound. So just get a little bit of it, pour it on. There you go, and then just get your buffer on, and here we go. I'm just gonna do this one quick just to show you how it comes, but then I will finish it off camera because it is the noise. So here we go. That's the first attempt, so it's not too bad. Obviously I'm gonna go one more time on it, and then the sides. And as I said, I'm not looking to get like a brand new spark, everything like a proper brand new. If it has a little bit imperfections like this, I'm not sure if you can see that. That's from the plastic inside. That one I will never be able to get it out. So yeah, as long as it's in a good condition, not brand new, good condition, I'm okay with it. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna come back once everything is done. So see you in a bit. Alright, guys, so here we go. Our screen is in the place. I'd say it's not too bad. polished the sides. Sorry about that. I just glue it on top here, so make sure it's not gonna come off. So that's it. This is our screen, guys. Obviously normally it's supposed to come up here into this edge over here, but to be honest with you, if I cut it to come up here, I can't glue it on the top here on the sides. It might just come out too much, so it will just stay as it is. So yeah guys, this is everything about our screen. Now I'm just gonna put the interior and everything back on, and yeah, I'm just gonna put it aside. So I will do a quick shot once is everything put back on. I re-chrome the bumpers and everything, and then I'll show you the final product, guys. See you in a bit. Alrighty then, so here we go. This is our final car. Screen on, a little bit chromed, the sides and everything. I didn't spray it, I just do it with a pen quick, because anyway, as I said, I didn't rivet. I just put a little bit of glue on it and here and there, so it will stay as it is for now, just to keep it in one piece. And once I get everything I need, I will just get into it. The lights, as you see, they do pop up, but I still don't like it. This they do pop up, but a little bit late, and they don't stay open. It might be something wrong with the thing. So with that which I glue it, it might not be proper done. But anyhow, I just most of it I wanted to show you the windscreen, how I do it. It's not gonna finished. It's not finished. Sorry about that. It's not a finished project, so I still have to work on it once I get the wheels. But just to keep it in one piece. So yeah, it is there. It is obviously better than it was before. At least we have the wheels on and the screen. And yeah, if you have any comments, guys, about if you do things different, you're more than welcome to drop a comment off. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you very much, and bye for now.